Hey guys, what's happening? ZkSync explained for beginners. ZkSync is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that makes transactions faster and cheaper by using a powerful cryptographic technique called zero-knowledge rollups, or ZK rollups. It functions like an express lane for the busy Ethereum highway, processing many transactions off the main road to reduce congestion and fees. How ZkSync works, right? Imagine Ethereum as a busy main highway that gets congested and expensive during rush hour. ZkSync adds an express lane or layer 2 to handle most of the traffic. So instead of processing each transaction individually on the main Ethereum chain, ZkSync bundles or rollups thousands of transactions into a single batch off chain. So they generate also a proof. For each batch, ZkSync creates a zero knowledge proof, right, or ZKP. This proof is a cryptographic receipt that mathematically guarantees all transactions in the batch are valid without revealing every single detail. Okay, verifying on Ethereum. Only the single compressed proof is submitted to the main Ethereum blockchain, layer 1. The Ethereum network verifies this proof, which is much faster and cheaper than verifying thousands of individual transactions. Instant finality, right? Unlike some other scaling solutions that have challenged period, ZkSync's use of ZKPs allows for instant verification and faster transaction finality because validity is proven mathematically, not assumed. So the key benefits: lower fees, faster speeds, security, EVM compatibility, right? So the ZK token also is a native governance token of the ZkSync ecosystem. Holders can delegate their voting power to participate in the network's decentralized decision-making process. The token can be acquired on various exchanges like Binance and Kraken. In essence, ZkSync is a major effort to scale Ethereum for mass adoption, offering a secure, fast, and cost-effective way to interact with the blockchain ecosystem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.